welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on the new Kylie Cosmetics Velvet Liquid Lipsticks. If you do want to see a review and swatches, please keep watching. This is what the packaging does look like for her new Velvet Lipsticks. At the top you have the shade names. Something that I do want to point out is that I love that right here where it says Kylie, it is Velvet. So that's something different in her packaging. I did a poll on Twitter asking you guys if you wanted me to review these lipsticks, and you guys wanted me to review them, so I did purchase them. Each of Kylie's new Velvet Liquid Lipsticks retail for $16 each. When Kylie always ships her items, she always sends a little card. This is a little postcard that does come with the little lipsticks. On the back she does have a little thank you for your purchase, all that jazz. We have all four of the new Velvet shades. The first shade we are going to be swatching is the shade Heat, and you get 0.3 grams or 0.11 ounces. It does come with a doe foot applicator, and I already swatched the shade Heat. This is what the shade Heat does look like. Heat is a burnt orange shade, and I don't really like the formula of the Velvet. I prefer Kylie's matte liquid lipstick. I don't like Kylie's Velvet formula. These don't last on lips as long as her matte shades do, but I do like this shade on my lips. The next shade we're going to be swatching on our lips is the shade Mood. I actually love the shade Mood. This is a warm terracotta brown shade, which I love. I honestly thought all these shades would look alike, and they don't. They're actually quite different. The next shade is called Shook, and this is a rich mahogany shade. I love this shade as well. I'm actually really surprised how much I really do love these three shades that I swatched so far. I just wish this was in a matte formula so it can last on my lips the entire day. Last shade is called Vibe, and this is a mid-tone orange shade. This shade does remind me of Pumpkin though. So here we have the shade Vibe, and here we have Pumpkin. So I'm going to swatch Pumpkin so that way you guys can see a side-by-side comparison, because they do look very similar. Vibe looks a little bit more darker than Pumpkin. I love the shade Pumpkin. I wore this all through fall, and this was my go-to shade. Just swatch Pumpkin here at the bottom, and I have Vibe right here. And I just want to see what this looks like because they look really similar. We're going to wait till that dries down matte so I can tell you what I think. Kylie did do the exact same thing when she released her holiday collection. Not this holiday, 2016 holiday, when she released Blitzen and Spice. I have the 2016 holiday collection in Blitzen, and I also have Spice as well. These two are the same colors, they're just packaged in different packaging, and she just named it. So we have Pumpkin dried down. If you guys are interested, I'm going to swatch Spice and Blitzen so you guys can see. Here's Pumpkin already dried up, and then we have the shade Vibe, the Velvet Liquid Lipstick, and they're the exact same shade except one is matte. Pumpkin is matte and Vibe is Velvet, but these two are the exact same shades except this one is a velvet formula. Like, this is moving around and you can see, whereas this one, it's matte, it's not going anywhere. She did the exact same thing. So right here I have Spice at the top, and then I have Blitzen right here swatched. You can see they are the exact same pigmentation, the exact same shade, and you can see they're both matte liquid lipsticks. They're going to dry down the exact same way. I love Kylie Cosmetics, don't get me wrong, but if she's going to repackage the same shade in a different packaging and call it a different name. So let me show you guys really quickly on how many matte shades I have. These are how many matte liquid lipsticks I have of Kylie Cosmetics. I love every one of these shades except for some shades like I don't like. I have her velvet shades and her glosses as well, but the matte shades are my go-to shade. I only have 5 of her glosses, and I use them sparingly. I don't use them every day. I don't really reach for these glosses as much because I don't like a glossy lip. And then of course I have Kylie's 4 Velvet lipsticks. I reviewed these when the Velvets did first come out. These shades I don't think I would gravitate toward because they're not long lasting. I don't think I would ever reach for them. Going back to the swatches, what I was talking about earlier when we swatched Blitzen and Spice. So here we have Spice at the top. It's already dried down, nothing came off. And then you have Blitzen, which is the same exact color. You can see how they dried down the same exact way. From a consumer perspective, I think Kylie should at least mention that she has the shade Pumpkin already in the collection. I hate when she releases something and say, oh, new Velvet, this, that. I'm not sure how I really feel about Kylie Cosmetics. I mean, I've given her so much of my money. I purchased so much of her things, but the quality is good with her lipsticks. Her eyeshadows, not so much. but her lipsticks is where it's at for me. I like the shades, but I don't like the formula. If you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.